In this Camtasia tips and tricks video, I'm going to show you how to extend your video clip so you have more time to explain about the video clip or do something about that video clip. For example, this is a small video clip about a train ride. Let me play it. And it is an 8-second clip. Say if you want to explain more about this train ride, you need to have more time. So you need to extend this video clip. There are few different ways to do that. First one is you have two clips here and you have to come to the one clip. So I'm going to select the latest clip here and then bring the playhead towards the end. The first method is hold on the shift key and press E. And now you get a window and you can type how long you want to extend this. The default is 1 second. You can type whatever you want. I'm going to type in 10 seconds and you can see it extended 10 more seconds. So let me show you how it works. And now you do not get the audio because you are going to explain more about this train ride. So you are going to freeze the video into a still clip. So let me undo and show you the second method. To undo something, you can just hit Ctrl and Z, or you can do it from here, from Edit, Undo. So the second method is do the same thing, select the clip, bring the playhead towards the end, and then right click here and select extend frame. And you will get the same window as Shift and E. Type in 10 seconds, you will extend it. Let me undo it. And I'm going to go to the third method. The third method is select the clip, bring the playhead towards the end, and hold on the Alt key in Windows computer or Option key on a Mac computer, and you see this frame changes the color from white to blue. And then now you see there's an icon that means it is going to extend. So these are the three methods you can freeze a video clip and extend it as long as you need it. But if you need the audio, what you need to do is, let me undo everything what I have done. If you want the audio also, right click on the clip, copy the clip and click on an empty space and paste it. And you can paste it as many times as you wanted, because once you copy, it will be in the memory and you can paste as many times as you want. In this way, you get the video and the audio. Let me play it. If this video is useful to you, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this kind of tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification.